Good day, students. I'm Mr. Matthew, and this is probability, and these are the objectives. Then you should be able to define probability and state types. Probability, events, and types of events. Construct outcomes table and use tree diagrams if possible. Then solve problems on probabilities. Now, probability is the same thing as chance. Now, probability of an event is the number in that event, E, over the total possible outcome, which we call sample space. We know it's possible for something not to happen at all. So the probability of something not to happen is written as the probability of empty set, which is 0, and the probability of the entire set that you are sure that it will happen is 1. Therefore, probability of any event lies between 0 and 1. We have experimental probability as well as theoretical probability. Under experimental probability, example 1 is this with frequency. So it's related to statistics. And so we should find the experimental probability of obtaining a 2, 5, and 6. So these are the solutions. For 2, we have 30 students, then the total, which is the total. So you reduce that one to the lowest form, which is 3 over 20 or 0.15. While for 5, we have 40 students there. Then over the total, which is 200, you have 1 over 5 or 0.20. The last one, we have 32 for 6 over the total, which is 200. This will give us 4 over 25 or 0.16. 2, it is known that in a certain country, out of every 3,000 people, 20 die between the ages of 30 and 40. What is the probability that a person will die between 30 and 40? So this is the total here for every 3,000, 20. So it's the probability for that to be 20 over 3,000, which is 1 over 150. Then this is the assignment for you, so classwork. Theoretical probability. Theoretical, where you already know some of you can carry it out without doing anything. Now, let's say Jesse throws a fair die, 6-sided die. What is the probability that she throws a 9? 4, the number greater than 2, even numbers, either 1, 2, 3, 5, or 6. And these are their solution in a die. You need to know it has 6 faces. So its number, the sample space here, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. So we have 6 of them. 9 is not there, therefore it is 0. For 4 occurs once, we have, so it is 1 over 6, the probability is 1 over 6. Greater than 2. So there are 4 of them greater than 2. That's why it is 4 over 6. Reducing that, you have 2 over 3 rather. Then for 1, 4 is missing here, 4 is here. Having all this, there are 6 of them, so you can have all of the 6 over 6. The entire sample space is 1. That means you have exhausted everything. A letter is chosen at random from the alphabet. Find the probability that it is F, B, F, or T. One of the letters of the word frequency, D, not one of the words, not one of the letters of the word table. These are the solution. You have 26 of them here. The number here is 26. 26. So for you to have F to be 1 over 26, now T or F have 1 each of them, so it will be 2 over 26. Reducing it, you have 1 over 13. Frequency, these are the numbers you have 8 of it. So if you are looking for one of the letters, it should now become 8 over the entire alphabet. The same thing, similar to table, we have 5 of them. So not, since it's not for not, it will be 1 minus that of this table. So the answer is 1 minus 5 over 26. And the answer is 21 over 26. This is the assignment for you. Now, we have combined probability. Mutually exclusive events, when they don't have anything in common. The intersection, the probability will always be 0. And this will give you additional law. You add their probabilities together if you want to get the total probability. This is the law for addition. Now, example here. Find the probability that a letter chosen at random from the alphabet is either a vowel or one of the letter X, Y, Z. So you combine the vowel, we have 5 of them with this, everything is 8. So you can see they don't have anything in common. Therefore, the probability of their union is what we are looking for. It will be 8 over 26, and the answer is 4 over 13. Number 2. A number is chosen at random from the set, that's from 2 to 20, the even numbers. Find the probability that it is either a factors of 80 or a multiples of 5. Now the total sample space is 10. We need their union, since this is either that or this. So for this, we now have everything. Have the union to be 5. It's only 5. Therefore, the probability will give us 5 over 10, and that is half. This assignment. Now, independent events that can happen without affecting the other. The probability of their intersection will be product, and that means it's obey the product law. Now, example, a die is thrown and a coin is tossed. What is the probability of getting both a 6 and a tail? Now you need the table. This is the outcome table for the combination head and tail. In a coin we have head or tail. While for this is for coin. It's only 2 outcomes. So when you combine it, you have this. Now, this is the first method. For a 6 and a tail, it occurs once. So it will be 1 over 12. The total outcome there is 12, that table. The second method you can use is this. For 6, it's 1 over 6. And for T, is a tail, it's 1 over 2. So the product of the two gives us 1 over 12. We move on. We get 5 girls and 3 boys put their name in a box. one name is picked at random without replacing the first name, the second name is picked at random. What is the probability that both are girls? So this is called without replacement. Without replacement. Do not replace it. Without replacing it. So when you pick the first girl, it will be 5/8 because the total is 8. Then it will remain 7. And that of the girls will remain 4. So the probability the second is girl, it will be 4/7 without replacement. So that both of them are girls is the product. And the answer will be 5/14. Now this assignment to classwork. So I wish you the best. Thank you very much.